Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm standing in front of the giant mirror ball at South Shore, Blackpool. I'm going to take a little walk along the front, along the promenade, and just see what's going on today. I'm going to walk from South Pier right along to North Pier. Will you join me? As you can see directly in front of me is the Pleasure Beach. The big one in the distance, Blackpool Tower. And our first stopping point, which will be South Pier. Well, it is February, it is out of season, but I thought I'd just stop and have a little look at the Pleasure Beach on the way to South Pier. Directly in front of me, as you can see, is the big one. Pleasure Beach stands on an area of 42 acres. And the first rides opened back in 1896. There are a total of 38 attractions, including 10 roller coasters and 5 water rides. And that blue building in front of me is Blackpool's indoor water park. And just the other side of that water park is South Pier. I can actually see a lot of work going on at these actual attractions, obviously preparing themselves for the start of the new season. There's the sandcastle. Well, I hope you can actually hear me. It's a bit windy, it's a bit cold. I'm at South Pier in Blackpool. It's the smallest of the 3 piers. Total length 149 metres or 163 yards. Designed by T.P. Worthington and opened on the 31st of March 1893. As I said, it is out of season at the moment in Blackpool and the actual Pleasure Beach is closed. But I can see in the distance that one of the rides is actually going, so they're obviously doing some maintenance or testing the rides. Right, I'm about halfway along the Golden Mile at Central Pier. Central Pier is the second largest pier of the three piers. Total length 371 yards or 339 metres. Designer was John Isaac Mawson, and this pier opened on the 30th of May 1868. I can see the big wheels missing, so I don't know the reason for that, and I don't know what happens with the big wheel out of season. So can you, anybody from Blackpool or from the local area, can you write in the comments to let me know why did he move the wheel in the winter seasons? I don't know if they take it down for safety reasons or whether they do it for maintenance, but please comment if you do know why the wheel gets taken down in the winter. You can see loads of places are getting ready for the new season. Madame Tussauds, doing some work on the front of Madame Tussauds at the moment. Haven't been to Madame Tussauds for about 20 years. Do they still have the horror section? Used to have like horror chambers down in the basement. And I remember they had an adult section where they had wax body parts, but you weren't allowed to look at them unless you were over 18. Please comment below, do they still have the horror section and the adult bits? Be interested to know if that's still at Madame Tussauds. You can actually see how windy it is by the pods, the leaning. Sea life, the Golden Mile, Coral Island. It's actually not a bad day today, to be honest. It's a little bit cold, a little bit fresh. I can see the scaffolds eventually coming down on the old Woolworths building. And here we have Blackpool's famous landmark, Blackpool Tower. Construction on the tower started in 1891 and was completed in 1894. The tower opened on the 14th of May 1894 and stands at a height of 158 metres. Nearly half the size of the Eiffel Tower, which is 324 metres. Directly in front of Blackpool Tower stands the comedy carpet, listing thousands upon thousands of famous entertainers from the past and present who have all performed in Blackpool. Literally thousands of names. comedy carpet was unveiled on the 10th of October 2011 by Ken Dodd. I did a vlog on Ken Dodd's final resting place. I will leave a link in the description below if you wish to check that video out. And we finally arrived at the final pier on the Golden Mile, which is North Pier. Blackpool North Pier. This is the oldest of the three piers. Opened on the 21st of May 1863. It was designed by Eugenius Birch and is the longest of all three piers, with a length of 550 yards or 500 metres. Well, that concludes my walk along the Golden Mile. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you again. Bye for now.